Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord guild tag complete tutorial. So first of all, create your role for your tag, open Discord and go to your server, click the server name at top left, choose server settings, go to roles, click create role, name something like tag or your custom tag, for example ABC, customize the role color if you want, save the role, then assign the role to members, go to your server's member list, click on a member's name, choose roles, assign the tag role you just created, repeat for other members, then show the tag before usernames, it's the optional. By default, Discord displays roles below usernames, not before. To prefix names with a tag, you can, option A is use nicknames, ask members to edit their nicknames to add the tag at the start, for example ABC username. Option B is use bots like MEE6, Dino or Carlbot. Some bots can automate nickname prefixes based on roles. Configure the bot to add the tag automatically. Step 4 is use bots to manage tags automatically. Invite a bot like MEE6 or Carlbot. Use their auto role or auto nickname features to assign roles based on conditions and prefix usernames with tags.